I wanted to go over a couple things with you because there's some things that's not done in in the in VitalQual. And so you pushed over that you were finished, but you're actually not because there's still things that's missing from there. So I wanted to go over those things.
Can you show me
Okay.
that?
Yes, so I'm going to show you right now.
Okay.
Okay. So, I hate this thing. How do you minimize this? Here, so I have to go with. Okay. So on the dashboard, um, you obviously have the context switch there. I think we need to make these colors match. These colors throw it off. So we need to make the colors match with the platform
Yes, yes.
because the red and yellow and all that, that kind of throws everything off. Um, let's go to, okay, if you notice here, it shows the voice plan and usage and video plan usage. And then it also says, it talks about it's stacked on the build meter independently. So that's missing. Um, let's see what else.
It's in the user dashboard, right?
Yes.
But but we have discussed for milestone 6 that we are working on the admin dashboard.
No. We said this is not admin dashboard. This is user account. So this is the user physical account. And so you have certain things still wrong. So prime example, um, when we go to affiliate, you still have 4 tiers. There's only 3 tiers. Remember, we talked about this. There's 20, 25, and 30.
Yeah, this is what I want to talk again with you. I message you
Mhm.
that some things I want to clear again. So
Yeah, but you were supposed to get on the call and you never got on the call. So I was waiting for you.
yeah,
That was the
now
other day when you said that morning. So I waited that morning and then I didn't hear from you. Okay. So let's go over those things.
okay, okay.
All right. So you said you had some stuff to talk to me about. So tell me what were the issues?
These plans that you shared right now, that you says it only have 3 plans. It is available on the document that you shared.
Absolutely. I
Okay,
remember I sent you the new document, and if I need to resend you a newer document, I can. So you have all that.
yeah,
Hold on, let me do that while we're on the phone.
yes, yes, I remember that. And now you shared me three invites for 3 to 4 invites for GitHub, but one of them isn't working for legacy parenting PW app.
Yeah, I sent you the new one.
Okay, okay.
Uh, just a second. Um,
Yes.
so also we talked about let's see, something else here. Settings, security, the change password. feature was there.
Yes.
Um, and then also there was the billing, um, where the credit card was on file here. So you have for payments here, and then the credit card is there because how do they how do they change their credit card if something's wrong with the account?
Yeah.
So the credit card is there. Um, and there was one other thing, the lock, the legacy on legacy contacts, the lock is not there. So you have to have that there, the information about what the lock is. Uh, see, um, we don't have to have like all this information, like the small print underneath that. That doesn't need to be there. Um, so we can, yeah, none of this needs to be here. I guess our right shouldn't be talking about $5 a year passive. It should basically let them know that they had to pay this fee. Let me go get my I need to go get my charger real quick. Give me 1 sec.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let me get my charger. I'm at the full dying.
Yes, yes.
Then we go to admin.
Okay.
This is the layout of the admin. So it also supposed to show the user's picture here. And we talked about this is how the user's account is supposed to look.
Oh, yes. This type of.
So you have the overview, the role, the plan. Obviously, you can update the credit card, edit the accounts. Um, and obviously, that's where the password can be there too. One of the passwords over here. Billing. So we have the ability to waive waive the a month or 2 months or refund or whatever the case is. And then obviously the security. We can turn it off or on. We can reset the password from here, which should be mobile or email, either or. But that's the view that it's supposed to look like in there. And then something else. The white label. Remember I told you I said we have to figure out a way because the white label should not show to the customer.
Yes, it not want to be show.
You remember on the user side where it has
Yes.
the white label? Right. So this is where it's hidden. So here, what happens is you have the application here
Yeah,
where you
applications.
approve for them to go. Yeah, where we approve them to be able to have it. And this is where you would send a link. And once you send a link, then it sends over all the white label configurations over to them. So you have that, you have that, you have that, admin roles, system health. System health is just keeps us updated with what's going on from the APIs to performance to the API monitoring each individual API, the alert rules, and obviously you can add an admin or maintenance. So for example, if you're handling maintenance for me, you do something, you will have an email here. Obviously, if I see something I can ping, it automatically pings you, and we can, then figure out what the issue is. And then this is just a uptime calendar. Oh, and this was also confusing as well here. So we have storage, but we don't have this anymore. So this button should even because there's no storage,
Yeah, right.
right?
Yes.
There's no storage. So storage shouldn't be there. You got total in two different places. So you have total here, and then you also have it back over in where was that? Settings. You have it here too. Wait, no. Did we? No, you didn't. Okay, no, that's fine. Um, so I think storage needs to go. We required to pay. Um, and I think that shouldn't we require an OTP, either SMS or email? I think should be a requirement, right?
Yes, requirements. I also implemented the three different security plans that we have discussed, which is email,
No,
mobile SMS,
we changed
and
already.
the 2FA. But
Yes.
email and 2FA is working fine. But for the mobile
Okay.
number, we want to upgrade the plan of Supabase. Supabase need to be upgrade.
Okay. Yeah. Remember we had these in two different places, the bottom part. Um, what was it at? I think it's whatever you put it. You would probably be in payments, right? No. Right. So remember we had this white label stuff that shouldn't be here. That white label stuff should be over at white label. When we talked about this,
Your voice is little bit breaking. Can you repeat your last
I said,
sentence?
remember we talked about this is in the wrong place, white label.
Yes, we need to
The
run
one,
this.
right. Okay.
Okay.
Um, commissions. And then once again, the commissions are all, remember, there's only three commissions, 20, 30, 25, 30. And they're not voice dynasty or anything like that. They're silver, platinum, and gold.
Okay, silver, platinum, and gold.
I mean, silver, gold, and platinum. Silver, gold, and platinum. So for each one of these, there's silver, gold, platinum. So 25 silver, 20 silver, 20 gold, 30 platinum tiers.
Okay, okay,
Same thing for here, for business. Gold, silver, gold, and platinum. So we have an extra here that shouldn't be there.
yeah, understand.
Say silver, gold, platinum. Actually, on
मम्मी
partnerships, we can
कामात
call
आहे
it
नंतर
starter,
बोलतो.
starter tier, growth, and enterprise together. So it's a silver, gold, platinum, and then business partnerships will be starter, growth, and tier. White
Yes, yes.
label.
मम्मी कामात आहे नंतर ये.
And that's it. Yeah, that's it for it. And then I wanted to show you